Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Stanley 412691 Pulley Assembly. Okay. This weighs 0.57 pound. This video will serve primarily as visual and dimensional evidence of the item. That's what the pulley looks like. Let's take some dimensional properties. Outside diameter of the pulley, 2.621 outside diameter. The diameter to the bottom of the root, as far as my caliper can tell, 2.358 from the bottom here down to here. The ID of the hole through, 0.5 on the nose, 0.5. The thickness of the pulley, 0.467. 0.467 would be the thickness. Okay. Let's switch to the screen view now and let's take a closer look at some supporting information. If you are enjoying this video, please click thumbs up or like, and also please consider subscribing to our channel. Let's move on to the rest of the video. Here is the item we are looking at. Let's take a look at the images that we have uploaded. Showing you close-up details of what that pulley looks like. Okay. This is double diamond, Duraglide 52-5300 sliders, 7000-7500 ICU sliders compatible. There's a link here below this video to the manufacturer's page. From here you can view not only all of the Stanley products we sell by means of this horizontal navigation, a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as several links to different types of encyclopedic documents, owner's manual, product catalogs, quick reference guides, things of that nature, replacement parts guides. If there's something that you're looking for that we don't have, ask us. We may be able to provide that. Let's wrap up this video on camera. If you are enjoying this video, please click thumbs up or like, and also please consider subscribing to our channel. Let's move on to the rest of the video. Okay, if there are any questions on the Stanley, this is their part number 412691 pulley, or any other Stanley product, please feel free to reach out to us. We sell a full complement of replacement parts for Stanley. Obviously pulleys and switches and, guides, rollers, belts, solenoid-driven locks, obviously controllers, motors, gearboxes, new parts, rebuilt parts, things of that nature. If you're looking for some material that you can't find on our site, take some pictures of it while you're there. Forward those to us and we'll identify the material and let you know what you need to get on order. Any questions on this or any other Stanley automatic product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you very much. Again, thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, please click thumbs up. Please subscribe and maybe even send the video to someone that you know. Thank you.